What's up, guys? Today I have a bunch of squishies from SHEIN that I got. I already opened one of them. Not from this package, from a different package that I got from the mail. But it's a snowball needle and it was like already broken, which really made me mad. But I got a bunch more, so I can't be complaining. And this is the little basket I'm going to be putting it in. The front side, it has a dog bone on it. That's because this was from my dog, but it's too small to fit all his stuff. So, let's open. Hey, look at all that. Okay, so this one wants to be out first, so we're going to open it first. Oh, it looks like it's already open. Oh, thank you. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love this one. 10 out of 10. I love it so much. And I just got it, but I still love it. 10 out of 10. Jumbo cheese time. I was really excited for this one. I'm glad I didn't get the knockoff the cheese skin. Oh my gosh. I'm not even joking, guys. I do not overreact this much, but this is flipping amazing. This is another 10 out of 10. Hold on, I need to show everyone. You know what? 1,000 out of 10 for these two. Okay, time for this little, I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be a crystal ball, or is it supposed to be the apple? I don't know, but I think it's like a Neato texture, so. It's an apple. It's an apple. Oh my god. This is like a Neato, but so much better. I love this.
What is it?
So excited for this one. Hold on, my thing's kind of foggy.
Which one is that one?
It's a bread.
Huh?
Okay, time for a satisfying peel. Okay,
Oh, look at the bread.
This SHEIN actually cooked.
Can I try and squish it?
It smells bad, but it smells like strawberries, actually. I don't know what I'm talking about. The apple was like an 8 out of 10. And to be honest, I was really excited for this one, and I don't really like it. But a solid 7 out of 10. This one I'm so excited for. I've seen so many things about it, and I'm super excited. Okay. Okay, these are the last two, so speed round. Okay, let's open it.
Yeah, you can.
I love it. Oh my god. For part 2, and I will also be rating all of them in part 2.